Hello, my name is Eliana. Today I'm going to talk about countables and uncountable nouns. First, what's a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Bob school dog. But there are nouns that can be classified as countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are those that, as their name indicates, can be counted. For example, lemons, 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons. Cars, 1, 2, 3. Use these expressions, some and lots of, to quantify countable nouns, and the expression there are to indicate their existence. For example, there are some cars in the city. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are those that we can't count. For example, water, peace, excitement. To express the existence of an uncountable noun, we use this expression. There is, for example, there is excitement in the beach. Thank you for your attention. Bye!